In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Module Installer Worker high CPU and disk usage on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then you have to go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. So here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. It will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, you have to right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Then go to the second method, type services in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Then we have to scroll down to the Windows Module Installer. Here it is. Right click and then select Properties. Startup type, change that to manual. And then you have to click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. And then scroll down to the Windows Update Service. Right click, select Properties, change this to manual, and then you have to click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. But if you want to enable it again, you just need to simply right click and then select the Start button. Then for the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now type SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So the system scan will begin. You just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, you need to type exit, then close the window. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.